Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create column chart in Google Sheets mobile. So let's get started. First of all, open your Google Sheets application on your phone and you have to prepare the data that you want to make it as a chart. And I have created a table. This is my data and we're going to make a chart from this table. So the first thing we have to do is we can select the table like this. We can tap and hold on the table and we can drag it. And after that, we can click on this plus button. Then since we want to make a chart, we can click on the chart option and the chart will be created. Okay, and if we want to change the type of the chart, we just need to click on the type option right here. And since we want to create column chart, we can select the column type right here. So just tap on it and we can go back to the previous section. Okay, and if you want to edit the legend or if you want to edit the title or the color, you just need to click on the option. Okay, and I'm going to go back to the spreadsheet. Okay, and if you want to move the chart, you just need to tap on the chart and you can drag it like this. Okay guys, and that's how we can create column chart in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.